Whichever way you put the stud on tells me everything I need to know about you. When you finish an incredible game and realize you have no purpose in life now. After all, why not? Why shouldn't I add peanut butter to it? Random YouTuber with a foreign accent and 12 subscribers, me needing an extremely specific step-by-step tutorial. When someone insults you but it's actually a good one you haven't heard before. I listen to a little bit of everything NFs, country music. People who pay for streaming services supporting the creators, people who pirate stuff. When I realize I have to get 8 hours of sleep in 3 hours. Europeans, my chocolate is better than yours. Americans, no, my chocolate is better. Amateurs. What was that punk? Japanese people, amateurs. Me realizing I'm an NPC in all my customers' lives. Me waiting for my electric kettle to come to temperature. My kettle waiting for me to hit start. When the media is still calling Hogwarts Legacy trash but it's about to hit overwhelmingly positive on Steam with 115,000 reviews. Dark humor is not a personality, teenage boys. Seed oil's extraction process. Olive oil extraction process, squeeze the olives. When the cat chooses to sit next to you in a room full of people, guess I'm just a good man. When you max out the damage output on the weakest weapon. Me when I tell a Gen Z to dodge, duck, dip, dive and dodge and just get a blank stare in return. Me hoping all my hard work at the office gets me a raise, my job, pizza party. Me at 8:59 am when work starts at 9. I have got 41 seconds to get there. Yeah, I have got time. Guy who found out that his girlfriend is home alone. Guy who found out that his little cousins want to play on his PC, driving like maniacs. Dad looking at my browser history, me acting confused, 97 tabs which I forgot to delete. College professors after they see the other professors assign 8 pages of homework and 2 tests that week. That's a great move, I think I'll copy it. Hi grandma, you're too skinny, come eat. 20 years later, hi grandma, you're too skinny, come eat. Bruh. Guess it really works. Discord, you have been mentioned 3 times. Me, where exactly? Discord, who the F knows? People who use toilet paper, people with bidet, people who don't clean their ball. Show me the real Mario. I said the real Mario. Perfection. When you finally make it to middle class, and inflation gets so high it makes you lower class again. Elon's time, his kids and companies, reposting memes. In a plane. Hijacking, smart. Mankiller, as a kid. As an adult. Inshallah the imposter will be found. POV, in almost all fables the villain is a wolf, sad wolf noises. Who would win? The Rings of Power, billion-dollar budget and widely popular lore. Old British man with a Lambo tractor and a camera crew. That one muscle after I slept in a weird position. FTW, for the win. F the what? Homeless students when the teacher introduces street work. The procrastination cure you don't want to hear. Co-worker, everyone says you're really unapproachable, me. And yet here you are. Showing up to a party way too finding the dog. I'm a perfectionist. I'm good at nothing. When I was 6 years old my older cousin told me stereos had tiny musicians in them. Being the genius that I was, I took apart my dad's stereo to steal one so it could play music for me in my bed at night. What's the dumbest thing you ever believed as a child? I should do some work, but I don't wanna. I don't have time to slack off, gotta work. Good thing time isn't real and we're all gonna lie. This get mad when guy who speaks Spanish. Bonjour. Americans attempting to navigate a roundabout. Anybody up for some co-op? When you have a headache due to lack of sleep but now you can't sleep due to the headache. People who crack their fingers. People who think cracks. Wait, you guys actually want to F the Atomic Heart Twins? I thought it was a joke. Anyone else be seeing these things floating around in your eye? How the F you get a picture of this? Promises to plant a tree for every 100 videos watched. Before, after, we get dirty and the world stays clean. Bro, send me that cool pic you took of us last night. The pic. Medieval European kings. We need to keep the bloodline pure. They're kids. Everyday men leave their homes with no bag, no water bottle, no lip balm, no hand sanitizer, no extra layer in case they get cold, just keys and a wallet shoved into their pocket. Chaotic and reckless. If you have been having trouble sleeping straight through the night, try sleeping gay. Profile named girl with the dogs on YouTube. Profile named girl with the dogs on videos. You're failing English. I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid. People who crack their fingers. People who crack their thumbs. Why does my stomach hurt so much? Their breakfast. When your mom is yelling at your sibling and you know you're next. When someone asks me for directions, I give them directions to my house. See you in 20 minutes, new best friend. Me tripping. My coffee table trying to attack me. We need you to make our lobby look nice. Architect, say no more. When you try to feel good in a new outfit. Your self-confidence. Best application of this meme I have seen. Beans. Mexican food. Beans. British food. When you thought you're going to bed after an episode but something insane happened at the end and now you gotta watch next episode. When you're getting roasted in the group chat and you need a comeback. Good relations with your mother I have. Men be looking happy as F and going through the darkest times of their life. The music stopped for a second in the club and everyone heard me opening my Velcro wallet. The vendor in Skyrim after I accidentally sold my enchanted armor for 30 gold and they want to sell it back for 1296. People who wear shoes inside a house. Absolutely barbaric. Tate supporters after realizing that he's a Rex. Damn, I kinda don't care. When you hear your housemate use your beard trimmer but he still has a beard. Everyone enjoying funny memes with presidents' voices. Me realizing that we have entered a new era of pseudo as a man begun. The AI war has. You wouldn't download a house. Magician. Take any card. Me. Takes his credit card. Magician. Me realizing it was my card. Soldier boy, not even a soldier. Dr. Ray ain't even a doctor. Keep it going. Adele isn't even a computer. It's illegal in 7 states to run for office if you declare yourself atheist. In Ohio it is illegal to undress in front of a portrait of man. Good morning. Just gonna go for a 2-hour walk to get bread at the nearest Walmart. It's beautiful out. Wikipedia, watching people pay $8 for a blue tick. Last night I asked my husband to put some spaghetti on the stove so I could start dinner when I got home. I came home to this. Lab leak, most likely origin of COVID-19. Make Energy Department now says. Conspiracy theorists, I knew it. Rest. Pet dog. Pet children. Call taxi. Call waiter. Being sick as a kid. Being sick as an adult. When that Toy Story money runs out and now you gotta work 40 hours a week. Man, it sucks having no kids. All I do is whatever I want all the time. My doctor writing a new Adderall prescription every month because no refills. Me looking at a bird. Who knows what this is? A teachable moment for an overly curious child in a car alone. When you fire one bullet and now have 29 out of 30 bullets, it's reload time. I can't believe he didn't cry during Titanic. Do men even have feelings? Not everyone will get this. We all get it.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am.